Hi everyone, today I want to share my thought on this rooftop Strobe light, which has been an amazing addition to my vehicle for better visibility and safety. First off, the brightness is incredible. It features 48 high intensity lights, which makes it super visible even from on 10,000 feet away. This is perfect for roadside emergencies of construction zone. Plus, these light patterns are adjustable. You can choose from 16 different flashing modes, all controlled with a simple adapter that plugs into your cigarette lighter. It's so easy to operate with just one button. What I really like is the strong magnetic base. It has 14 magnets with protective rubber pads so it stays securely attached to the vehicle without causing any scratches. Even in tough weather conditions, it stays firmly in place. Speaking of weather, the durable ABS housing and dust proof design make it reliable no matter the environment. The low profile design is a bonus. It designed take up much space but delivers high performance. It's also super versatile. You can use it for various applications like law enforcement, towing, and even maintenance vehicles. Overall, this Become light is functional, easy to use, and built to last. It has definitely made my work safer and more efficient. By the way, I received this product directly from the seller, which was a nice touch to test its quality. That's it for today's review. Let me know. It's a question, but its product is amazing. I like it.